What's going on, guys? I've got a 2006 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to point out to you how to change the high and low beam bulb. I'm also going to point out to you the location of the fuses and the relays for the high and low beam bulb. So go ahead and pull this off. Now this relay is going to be for the high beam. Just pulls out like so. And this one is going to be for the low beam. A little more difficult to get this out because it's hard to, get a good grip on it. But you can remove it. That's the low beam there. And you can swap them around to troubleshoot. Don't forget to check your fuses here. This is going to be, let's see, they're all 10 amp fuses. That is the high beam fuse for the left-hand side. That's the high beam for the right. That's the low beam for the left and the low beam for the right. Now, as far as getting to the bulbs themselves, it's real simple. Don't need any tools or anything. You pop this up and you pull it out like so, and you're gonna have to angle this down to get it to kind of glide underneath this plastic here. Get it all the way out. You can now grab this and pivot it towards you, and you're gonna lift just straight up. And that's gonna reveal the bulbs. This is the low beam, which is a 9006 bulb. That's the high beam, which is a 9005. As far as getting to them, you're going to disconnect them by first pushing on the little tabs, the little retaining parts. When you have it disconnected, look inside the connector, also known as a pigtail. Check to see if there's any corrosion here. Once you've got it disconnected, you just grab the bulb and rotate it counterclockwise, and it will then pull straight out. With your new bulb, installation is reverse of removal. You just push it in and then rotate it clockwise. Be sure not to touch the glass with your fingers or get any dirt or anything like that on there. And the connector just clicks right back in like so. Now, as far as reinstalling this, really not too difficult. There's tabs that line up with slots, and so you just get it to go into there. Might be a little tricky for me to do one-handed, but you should be able to do it no problem. So let's see if I can do this for you guys. Get in there. There we go. So get that in there, and this just slots back in like so. This is an adjuster, by the way. And don't forget your little L-shaped piece. Goes back in and clicks in. So yeah, that's that. Real simple. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if there's anything I can help you out with, or if you have any tips of your own for troubleshooting the headlights on a Silverado or Chevy truck.